I snore at night, and because of it, I have the hardest time breathing. I read an article about mucus in your airway causing snoring. AirPhysio helps to clear the excess mucus that builds up in your airways. The gentle pulses of pressure quickly open blocked and semi-blocked airways. AirPhysio is a natural technique that targets snoring, so you can finally sleep peacefully. Blow into the AirPhysio just enough to lift the ball, then cough to expel any mucus that has broken up. Then repeat as necessary. I started using this every night before bed, and I have seen a huge improvement in my breathing and sleep. I love that I no longer have to snore at night or toss and turn. I wake up so much more well rested. After trying so many different products, I never thought that something so simple and natural could be such a great help, and I am so thankful.